Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will see from where you can download the Prosys OPC UA Forge software, and after downloading how you can install Prosys OPC UA Forge software. So you have to visit this website to download the Prosys OPC UA Forge software, and I will provide this link in the description of this video. You can navigate to this website and you can navigate to download section from this website, and you can download the Prosys OPC UA Forge for different operating system like Windows, Linux, or Docker images. Okay, so I have already downloaded the Prosys OPC UA Forge for Windows operating system, and which is 64-bit of software. Okay, so you can see here Windows 64 and version 1.1.0. Okay, so you can click here to start your download. You can see it is downloading. Okay, so this is how you can download, and after downloading, let's see how you can install it. So first of all, you have to double click here to start the installation. Okay, after that you can see welcome to Prosys OPC UA Forge setup wizard. We have to press next here, and then we have to accept the license agreement, and then again next. We are going to install this in the D drive, so I'm going to change it to D drive here, and we are going to press next again, and you can see it is started installing. So after installation you can use it. Now you can see setup Prosys OPC UA Forge is installed successfully. Now we can click on finish. Okay, you won't see any shortcut on the desktop. You have to open the start menu here, and you have to scroll down and you have to navigate to P section. Okay, you can see in the P section you can see Prosys, and here you can see Prosys OPC UA Forge. Okay, so it will run in the command line. Okay, and then after it will open one web page, so you have to click here and it will open a web page in a moment. Okay, you can see here we have a web page for Prosys OPC UA Forge, and you can see how to start Prosys OPC UA Forge service using services.msc. And after starting the Prosys OPC UA Forge service, which URL you have to open. Okay, so this is how you can download Prosys OPC UA Forge from this Prosys website, and after downloading I have explained how to install it and how to launch it. Okay, so if you still have any question or doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section, or you can also ask me on Telegram, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video we are going to install the UA gateway or UA modeler. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.